Hey sweet ladies, welcome back to my channel. It's Pink Sparkly Cupcake Girl, and today I have a collective haul to share with you guys from various different stores, and we'll get right into that in just a second. But I did want to show you that I am recording this video in a different location than I normally do. I'm in my formal living room, and we have our first fire in our fireplace for the season. It has definitely turned fall here in the South. I think it's about 40 some degrees this morning. So we decided to light a fire in the fireplace, and we have our oil lanterns going all throughout our home. If you're new to my channel, we live in a Victorian home, so we do like to use oil lamps throughout. So it's just a very cozy morning. I fixed us a Halloween themed breakfast this morning for part of our Oktoberfest, and I will be sharing pictures from that on my community page. And so we're just kind of snuggled in and being cozy today. And I thought you might want to kind of cozy in and watch this video by the fire and the candlelight and the lamplight here, and just have a peaceful, relaxing Saturday morning. So I'll give you a little overview here. Here's our fireplace. And you can see that the fire is making the little banner here that says spooky. It's making it move, so it does look very spooky, like a ghost. And here, like I said, I've got my oil lamp going, and it's just so very peaceful and just cozy. And then I have several candles throughout the house. This one is in toasted pumpkin spice, and it just smells so wonderful. I'll show you even my marble statues of the Victorian women. We have these throughout our home, and even they are decked out for Halloween. They have their Halloween accessories on, as all proper women should. Okay, we'll go ahead and get started with the video. Well, with the haul, rather. The first thing I want to share with you, I got at the Dollar General store, and it was $10, and I absolutely am in love with it. It's this gorgeous Hocus Pocus pillow. And Hocus Pocus is definitely one of our favorite Halloween movies to watch. We always have a Hocus Pocus theme night for our Oktoberfest. If you're new to my channel, my family and I have Oktoberfest throughout the month of October. And we do different theme nights every night as a family, and do Halloween activities according to that theme. So Hocus Pocus is always a big one for us. So when I saw this pillow, I knew I had to have it. And it has little orange and white polka dots all over the black background, and then it's trimmed on both sides. There's a little string. It's trimmed on both sides with these little orange, little teeny tiny baby pom-poms. They look like little orange pumpkins. It's on both sides, the trim, and it was only $10. And it's a really large pillow. Okay, next from Walmart, I picked up this adorable little figurine. He's got a jack-o'-lantern head, and I like his little hat. It's all sparkly, and it's got a little orange sparkly star on the end, and he's holding what looks like a little jack-o'-lantern lollipop. And he has little crescent moons all over his little jacket, and this just looks vintage to me. And we did buy a couple of these last year, but they didn't have this one at Walmart. So I went ahead and picked this one up for our collection. And he was only $6.98. And I think that's a really good price for him. Okay. And then also from Walmart in that same collection, they had this little jack-o'-lantern little witch. And this one is new, or at least to my store this year. So I went ahead and picked it up to add to the collection. She's just got a little black dress on, little ruffles. I love the little jack-o'-lantern face. And of course, I love the black witch's hat. And they just look, like I said, they're just very vintage Halloween, which is my favorite. I love anything that looks kind of old school Halloween. So I picked up both of those, and that one was also only $6.98. And then I just picked up some of this hazelnut creamer. We drink a lot of coffee, my honey and I do, and my favorite flavored coffee for fall is either hazelnut or caramel macchiato. So I was out of the hazelnut creamer, so picked up a container of it. And if you've never tried it, you should. It's so delicious in coffee. I just love to have a cup of hazelnut coffee and cuddle up by the fire with a warm blankie, and it's just my favorite thing to do during the fall. It's just so relaxing and cozy. Okay, and then I found this cereal at Walmart. And if you've been following my channel, you know I love anything in the Funfetti brand. We have the pancakes of this, the pancake mix of this, and the brownies and cookies and icing and cakes and cupcakes and things like that. We just love the Funfetti mainly because they always have sprinkles in everything. So I found this at Walmart. It just looked really yummy. I love the packaging. It just looks like a party. And that's what the cereal looks like. And it's got tiny little sprinkles all over the cereal. And I love the packaging with the pink and the blue. And it is very delicious. I've already opened it and had a bowl. And it is super yummy. It tastes just like a kind of like a sweet cupcake. It's very good. If you like sweet cereals, it's very good. And then from Gabe's, I picked up this reusable bag, and it was only 99 cents. And I love to have reusable bags just to, you know, tote stuff around, and it's front and back, you know, in my car, or just for my groceries, or just whatever. And I love it because it has the stacked up little macaroons. And I love it because it says Sweet Life. And if you've been following my channel, you know that I love sweets, anything sweet themed. So I like that it said Sweet Life. Okay, next from Walmart, I picked up this pack of pumpkin caramel apple. It's a pumpkin caramel apple kit, and or kits. It's got more than one, and we are going to be making caramel apples for part of our Oktoberfest, and I will post pictures of those on my community page. But I went ahead and picked these up. They were $2.48, and you get 6 kits. And it comes with the plastic bag to wrap around the apple. It comes with the sticks to stick down in the apple, and then these little round pumpkins here, the little cards. That's what you sit the apple on. See, right here. So that way, when you put it down in the bag, this will help keep the plastic from sticking to, you know, your sprinkles or your caramel or whatever on your apple. And then it also comes with the little to and from little tags if you want to gift these to somebody, which is really sweet. So I just thought those were really cute. There's the little tag, the to and from tags. So that'll be for when we make our caramel apples. And then also from Walmart, if you will remember, a few weeks ago, I hauled a big haul from Walmart that had all their sweet themed Halloween items. The trick-or-treat bags that had all the candies, and the little plastic trick-or-treat pail. I had a serving tray, and then a big like candy bowl, and the plates and napkins. There was just a bunch of stuff that I hauled that had all the sweet little candies on them. And then when I went to Walmart the other day, they had these little paper bags with the same print. This is what the print was on all the stuff that I'm talking about that I hauled a few weeks ago, with all the candies and the suckers and candy corns and stuff. So they had these 3 little, well, I got 3, but they had these little paper like goodie bags. I just thought they were so cute, with all the gorgeous candies, the suckers, and all the little candy corns, little stars. They're just adorable. I love that it has the pink and blue mixed in with the Halloween colors. It's so cute. So I picked up 3 of those. And I'll probably make goodie bags for my staff. I'll probably make goodie bags and hand those out for Halloween. And then from Dollar General, I did pick this up for Christmas. It's the Glade Room Spray, and it's in Candy Cane Cheer, limited edition. And it's notes of peppermint and vanilla cream. And it smells really good. It does have a very sweet candy cane smell to it, a peppermint smell. So, and then I love the packaging. It's like a pink, like an ombre pink in the background. And then it's got this gorgeous big peppermint candy on the front. And then also from Dollar General, I picked up these little Christmas ornaments. They were only $1 each. And this one says old-fashioned candy cane. Old-fashioned candy canes. I thought it said old-fashioned candy cane Christmas, but it doesn't. It just says old-fashioned candy canes, 5 cents. And it's got the beautiful candy cane with the big red bow. And it's just so cute. And they're like a thick cardboard. And I won't use these on our tree, even though they are ornaments. I'll use these in our kitchen because we do decorate our kitchen in gingerbread, candy canes, and candies, and kind of like a Candyland North Pole type theme for Christmas. So I'll use these in our kitchen. And then I got this one. It says hot cocoa with extra marshmallows. And that's exactly how I like my hot cocoa. And I love peppermint hot cocoa. So I like to put candy canes or peppermints in my hot chocolate with lots of marshmallows. And I always make a hot chocolate station in our kitchen with all the trimmings and sprinkles and toppings and things like that to go on our cocoa. So I'll probably incorporate this with that. And then, of course, I had to pick up the oven fresh gingerbread with the little gingerbread man. And I'll just use this for decor in our kitchen as well, because we got lots and lots of gingerbread stuff. And these were all just $1 a piece. And then from Walmart, I shared this on my community page. I picked up these little wax cubes. They were only $1.88 each. And this one is in sugar cookie. And I just love the packaging of it. Look how cute. It has a witch's cauldron, and it's full of sweets. It's got candy canes, the red and white, and then the orange and black. It's got little purple lollipops, candies. There's a little cupcake right there with sprinkles. It has a Frankenstein head, a jack-o'-lantern, a ghost, and then all in the background, look, it's got little candy pieces. It's got the sugar cookies of the spider web up here. And it's got bats, more candies and candy cane. There's a lollipop. There's a little cupcake with sprinkles, jack-o'-lanterns. Here's another little chocolate cupcake with a big eyeball on top. There's little candy corns back there in the background. It's just so cute. I adore the packaging on this. And it does smell really good. They're purple, and it does smell like a sugar cookie. And then I got this one. It was also just $1.88, and this one is in caramel apples. And it smells exactly like caramel apples. It smells so good. So I'll definitely be putting these in my tart warmer. And then from Walmart, I picked up this little Christmas ornament just because I thought she was so adorable. They were just starting to put the ornaments out at my store. And she's a pink ballerina hippopotamus. And she is so glam and so girly. She's got pink sparkly ballet slippers. She's got the pink feather tutu little, the pink feather little tutu. And then she's got a little pink sparkly outfit. And then look at her little rhinestone little necklace. So it's so cute. And her little face is adorable. And then she's got the little pink flower in her hair with the pink gemstone. I just thought she was so adorable. I just had to have her. She's a little ballerina hippo. So cute. And she was $1.98 from Walmart. And also from Walmart, I picked up this cute little gingerbread ornament. He's in a cookie cutter, and he's got like a little red and white candy cane scarf on. He's holding a little Christmas tree. He's got little peppermint buttons and all the glitter and icing. I just thought he was so super cute. And he was also $1.98 from Walmart. And then also from Walmart, I picked up this little black kitty cat. It's a reusable. I posted this on my community page a few days ago. It's a little Halloween plush with tote. It was $2.48. And it's like a little purse charm. See, it has like a little clip that you can clip it onto your purse. And it's an adorable little black kitty cat for Halloween. And she's got a little pink pom-pom for a nose, like her little lashes. She's got a sweet little face. And then the back of it is like a little drawstring. And you pull that out. And then you open it up. And then the inside it has the reusable shopping bag. Doesn't it look so cute? It's just orange. Here's the handles. And then you've still got the little kitty cat head on top. And this is what it looks like. So it looks like when it's all together right here. And then this is what it looks like as the bag. So you've got an adorable little orange reusable tote with the little black Halloween kitty cat at the top. That's so cute. Okay, and then also from Walmart, I get these every year, so I picked up the little black kitty cat print for this year. And I think last year, I think it was a pink one with little black kitty cats, and then the year before, I think it might have been orange with black kitty cats. I can't remember, but anyway, this year it's purple with little black kitty cats on it. And this one is a little black kitty cat witch. And this one's a little black kitty cat popping out of the jack-o'-lantern. And then that one's just the little black kitty cat. And this one is the little kitty sitting next to the jack-o'-lantern. And then it starts over. And it's so cute. It's just got little stars in the background. It's just really cute. And it has like a lime green handle. And this was only 98 cents. And then also from Walmart, I found this beautiful Halloween velvet plush throw. And it has all these gorgeous black kitty cats all over it. And this one has like bats. And this one is like a skeleton with a witch's hat. This one has a spider web with a spider. I love this one. It's got candy all over it. This one's got jack-o'-lanterns. It's just so cute. And it was $9.97. And I love blankets. I think we have more blankets than we do anything else in our house. I mean, I have them just in every closet. They're just everywhere because we love to have cozy blankets. My son loves them. My honey loves them. Our little doggy loves them. We just all have our own little stash of blankets. So I just thought this one was really, really cute for Halloween. This one's saying boo. He has ghosts. So each one of the little kitty cats has something different. Like I said, candy, skeleton, ghost, spider web, jack-o'-lanterns. Just so adorable. And the back of it looks kind of pink on camera, but it's not. It's purple. Have little bats flying around in the background. Just so, so cute. I really love that. And then from Gabe's, I picked up this gorgeous purse charm for Christmas. And if you saw my haul a few months ago, or if you watched my What's in My Halloween purse that I uploaded, I think it was yesterday or the day before, I have a gorgeous jack-o'-lantern purse charm that I got at Gabe's. That's like this with all the rhinestones. It's very sparkly. It's absolutely beautiful. And it's just like this. It has a little black tassel on it with the gold hardware. So when I found this one, I just knew I had to have it for my Christmas purse, because I do carry 2 or 3 different Christmas purses throughout the season. And I have done videos of those before each year on my channel, if you're interested to check those out. And I've also done What's in My Halloween purse ever since I started my channel too. So if you're interested in checking those out as well. But I just thought this was really pretty. It's a green bling bling Christmas tree with little red sparkle ornaments and star. And it's got the little red tassel. And then I also found the little Santa Claus one. And it's got Santa Claus, and he's got his little sack on his back. Is that not just so gorgeous? It's so blingy. And it's got the little red tassel on it as well. So cute. Okay, just a couple more items here. I got this little cozy blanket at Dollar General store. It's a Minnie Mouse one. And Peachy Mama Bear, Reginisha from Peachy Mama Bear here on YouTube, she hauled this in one of her hauls. And on that video, she mentioned that she knew that I would love this because it was pink and it had bows all over it. And she knows that I like Disney. So thank you so much, Reginisha, for sharing this with us and thinking of me when you saw it. So I did go and pick me up one. So thank you for letting me know about this at Dollar General. And it was $7. And it is really cute. It's pink background, like a cotton candy pink background. And then it has all these like hot pink and bubblegum pink bows all over it. Solid pink and then polka dots. Really, really cute. It's very, very cozy and girly. So I love that. So thank you so much. And then I believe the last item is also another blanket that I found at Dollar General. I posted this on my community page, and it was $8. And this is what it looks like. I saved the packaging to show you. It's even cuter in person because it is so soft, and it has the most adorable little kitty cats all over it. Let me see if I can get it spread out here so you can see it. Look how cute. Look at that little face. Look how precious. Is it not so sweet? And it has these little baby hearts all over the blanket. Is that not so cute? Look at their little faces. Their little chunky bodies. They're little chunky cats. Love it so much. And it's very, very soft. Oh, it's so soft. Very cozy. So I got me some new blankets to add to my collection. So I believe that is everything for my haul today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I would love to have you. Stay tuned. Our Halloween home decor tour will be coming up soon. We do those every year for every holiday. So that one for 2020 will be coming up very soon. So I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend. I hope you're getting into the Halloween spirit, because I know for sure we are. So until next time, stay sweet, stay pink, take care, and God bless. Bye.